Thank you for joining us today on a quick overview of the Hielscher Ultrasonics Flow Cell assembly. We're using a S26D7D. Please note the flange on the sonotrode. Both the stainless steel and glass version of the flow cells can be interchanged on any of the laboratory units. Disassembling the head, please note the two O-rings. Taking the sonotrode, slipping one of the O-rings on the bottom, slipping one of the other O-rings on the top, and now the flow cell is assembled. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at HielscherUltrasonics.com.